going on? Good job. Homesteading with a 2-year-old. Let's talk about this.
Are you gonna help me get these back in? Good job!
Can you say subscribe to the channel? So every morning when we come outside, it's a rush for me to click off the electric fence before she grabs it. Hey, we're not going in here. Come on, this way. Emma, come here. This is the way we're going. We're not going this way. Oh, you want to go inside the chicken tractor. So Emma's just about 2 years old now, and she is a pretty integral part of the homestead. As you can see, she's back there grabbing some Swiss chard, which is fine. I don't care if she picks the heck out of the Swiss chard because there's so much of it, so she can hack at it all she wants. So part of why we started homesteading was so that we could provide better food for ourselves, but also for Emma. And while most of the time it's great, it presents a whole bunch of challenges for Jackie and I when both of us are not on the homestead. You know, with 2 people, it's doable to corral a 2-year-old. But with 1 person, it gets a little intense. While she's preoccupied with that Swiss chard, I'm going to use this as an opportunity to run out front and grab a bag of pig feed because the pigs need some feed in their feeder. And if she's preoccupied with that, even if it's doing a little bit of destruction to the Swiss chard, I can tolerate it. You want to go see the piggies? Okay, let's go see the pigs. Oh, leave the microphone. A 2-year-old is constantly amused by fuzzy things, so if you take your microphone off and set it on the wellhead, she's going to play with it. Can you put it back? Good job. Okay, let's go see the pigs. Sometimes you find yourself holding the camera in one hand, balancing the pig feet on your shoulder to open the gate. All right, stay here. Stay there. Daddy's got to feed the pigs. Stay. Leave it alone. Don't touch. I know. That's the camera. Oh, leave it. Want to watch the pigs for a little bit?
Yeah.
Can you say bye, pigs? Can you close the gate? Good job. Daddy will latch it. You want to give the chickens their scratch?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go. Got it?
Yeah.
Throw it. So we've kind of taken this approach that we loosely call pasture raised kids, where we give her as much freedom as we can while providing a safe environment for her to kind of be a kid and grow and do whatever she wants to do. So like we came outside this morning and it was a rush for me to get the electric fence shut off. And now I have the electric fence shut off. The pigs are back on now after we're done out there. And she's hanging out with the chickens, giving them the scratch feed. And that's engaging her. That's getting her involved in the chickens, in the process of farming and homesteading. And she's having fun with it. Let's go fill her water. Let's go fill the duck pool. But also to give her an environment where it feels like there's a little bit of risk. Even though she's safe. So while I might not have her help me pick squash, which have prickers on the vines, like this one right here, that might not be the ideal task for her. However, when it comes to picking cherry tomatoes or green beans or something like that, she's perfectly capable, and we like having her help us out with that. Even though right now she's playing with sidewalk chalk. That would not rather be in the garden. I'm telling you, these Mr. Stripey tomatoes, they're awesome. This thing's huge. So that's how we're homesteading with a 2-year-old. It's a little bit of controlled chaos every now and again, but Emma seems to be enjoying it. Are you having fun? Yeah, I'm camera shy. Honestly, we're just trying to give her the best life that we possibly can, and we feel that having her out here in the woods with animals and, you know, knowing where her food comes from is really the best way that we can do that, while giving her the ability to be herself and, you know, figure out what she wants to do with her life, because she's got a whole life ahead of her, and we're pretty happy about that, right? All right, so we got to say goodbye to the camera. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.